All right, so we have a 10-foot, 20 gauge metal stud. It's 10 foot and it's 20 gauge. 25 is too thin, 20 is manageable for a do-it-yourselfer. You could go higher, but it would be more elbow grease that you need. So for that, I measured 24.5 from the bottom plate to the top of this counter. So that's what we're gonna make a cut right now. So I'm using a miter saw. I put a 7-inch carbide metal cutting blade, and I've never cut metal, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna cut the metal down to here. I don't want it to separate because I want it to fold it together. Wish me luck. Cutting at 34.5 mark. Not too bad. Flatten this part out. All right, and now I should be able to fold this up, and later I'm gonna put a clamp and screw it in, and I have my first side of my frame. So this is probably one of the more important parts, is making this 90 degrees. So I'm gonna use this tool, and I'm gonna use one of these clamps to hold the material together. So I'm gonna bring it in and clamp it. Make sure I'm at 90, so right here I'm not. So I have to move it to where it's at a 90. And now it's at a 90 degree and the clamp is holding it. Self-tapping metal screw, 1/2 inch is all you need here. You don't need more than that. The screw perfect. And then later I'll put one on the other side. So right now I'm gonna measure my 4 feet, mark it, cut it, and do the same thing. All right, we're at 90. And here it goes. It moved a little bit, but I don't think it matters. Okay, so we have our piece. Let's see if it fits. It's gonna be a tight fit, so let's see. Oh, there's a nail in the way. Okay.
Call today for a free consultation. Don't hurt me.
Come in. You need to be in here. Let me see.
I think I'm going in.
No, it goes.